Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited because I've got something special that's going to take my coffee game to the next level. I ordered this amazing milk frother and I can't wait to unbox it with you. I got this beauty from Amazon for just 540 rupees. First off, I have to say, the labeling and packaging is pretty basic. It looks like something an intern whipped up. Now, let's take a quick look at some of the specs as we unbox it. This frother promises a whisper quiet operation with up to 30 days of frothing on a single charge. How cool is that? Also features a revolutionary dual spring mechanism, has 3 pace modes, and it also comes with a free recipe ebook packed with over 100 recipes. First up is the coffee frother attachment itself, and then we have a few other goodies all bundled up. Let's take them apart and see. Here are the 5 things you'll find inside the box. A handy stand, which I absolutely love because once you're done frothing, you can clean the machine and hang it up neatly. Next, an egg whisker, perfect for whisking eggs or other liquids. Next, the main coffee frother attachment, designed to create a dreamy, creamy texture in your drinks with its shiny dual spring mechanism. Then we have the Type-C charging cable. Now let's talk about the main unit. It has an ergonomic plastic body that fits comfortably in your hand. It also features 3 LED indicators that show you which speed mode you are using. Super handy. And nice buzz from the motor when I press the button, which is actually very tactile and you can really feel the power. And on the back, we have the Type-C charger port. Let's power it on. Attaching the whisk is a breeze. Just align it and push down firmly. Once attached, give it a gentle tug to make sure it's secure. And let's try it out. Wow, it spins freely and smoothly. You can definitely feel that high RPM. Now, let's just put it on the stand. The stand provides stability and keeps everything neat when not in use. Just be careful, a slight push can knock it over, so watch out for that. The frother on its stand adds a touch of elegance to any countertop. This bad boy has a 1200 mAh battery, promising 30 days of use with quick charging capabilities. Perfect for busy mornings. Let's put it to the test. First up, we're going to froth some water. And look at the tornado swirl. The motor is doing an awesome job. The button takes a bit of getting used to. You have to hold it down to switch off, which can be tricky if you accidentally release it. Next, let's try some compliant with standard milk. I'm still learning the ropes of frothing, but hey, we all have to start somewhere, right? Oh wow, look at that creamy foam forming already. The button is tricky to use. Pressing it cycles through low, medium and high speeds, then turns off. To switch off directly from any speed, you need to press and hold, which feels cumbersome. But good foam created in the end. Now let's try some coffee, and oh no, I filled my cup too much and spilled everywhere. But just look at that foam. It's gorgeous. So the trick is to fill your glass half, foam it, and then top it off with some milk and enjoy a cafe style drink right at home. good creamy foam achieved in the end. Now let's give tea a try now. To prevent splashes, I recommend inserting the whisker into the liquid first before starting the frothing. Success! It's aerated beautifully. And cleanup is super easy too. Just rinse under water and you're good to go. The Nova Milk Frother stands out as an efficient tool for anyone looking to enhance their coffee experience at home. With its powerful performance, it's worth considering whether you are a novice or an experienced barista. If you enjoyed this unboxing and want more product reviews, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and happy frothing!